It won't be that complicated, I promise. It's gonna be super easy, all right? So DJ, we're gonna play the next song, but before we do that, I wanna teach you guys a few moves, all right? So everybody facing this way, of course. So when I say en place, with kompa dancing, it's all coming from the hips. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super easy, right? No? All right, let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's take it up a notch. Now, suka. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's another one I throw on you. Easy, right? So the first one, 5, 6, 7, en place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Next one, suka. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that with the music. You guys are ready, right? Let's go! So we're gonna take up a notch, just a little bit, right? Just a little bit. From here, we're gonna bust it. 5, 6, watch us first. We're gonna go 1, back, 1, back, forward, back. Easy, right? All right, so if I say bust it with the left, you're gonna go 1, 2. All right? So when I say bust it from the right, all you're gonna do is bust it from the right. All right? Let's do it. DJ, let's go. Stop me up in the middle. 5, 6, bust it from the right. Go 1. From the right. From the right. Yes, from the right. Now, Sude. Remember this. Alright, we're gonna bust it from the left. 5, 6. From the left. Go. Yeah. Alright, DJ. Dylan, this is pretty quick. Alright, so now what we're gonna add this into like a basic step, alright? Add a sequence to it. It's really easy. You watch us first. Basic step 2. No 1, 5, 6, 7. Watch us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So basically you're doing the suka. Remember this before? You're applying this, but what you're gonna do is make a Z with it. You see it? 5, 6, left, first go 1, then forward, to the right, back to the left, bring it back, sude, and finish it with the sude. Alright? One more time. 5, questions, no? Again, 5, 6, left, go, so left, right, forward, to the right, bring it left, bring it back, yeah! Okay, one more time before we get doing music. Yo, I'm excited. They're in the back is really excited. Let's go. 5. Actually, hold on. When I say chalet, everybody can reply chalet. Chalet! Chalet! DJ, drop it. Actually, chalet means hot, so you know. Chalet means it's hot. Are we ready for you, DJ? Why? Let's get there. Alright, basic step 1. Let's go in left. Take right, to the front, to the right, to the left, bring it back, let's go center. Chalet! Chalet! Alright, DJ. Yo, DJ, they're hot, right? They're hot. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, let's actually learn a quick choreography. They ready for that? You guys ready for choreography? With a person, the partner next to you? No? Alright, let's do that. So grab a person next to you. If it's 2 girls, it's fine. One of you guys be the guy. Alright? This is my partner, bro. This is my partner. You try to come and take my partner. Alright, so you got the partner, alright? We'll be facing this way so you guys can see us. Alright, so the first move, you're gonna watch us first. So from here, all I'm gonna do is with my left hand, I'm gonna step in with my left leg and open to a second position, which is this. Alright, so grab your person, your partner, your left hand. Guys, all my guys, your back is facing this way. All my guys, back facing this way. All the ladies, your back is facing that way. Alright, so first step, you're going to be a forward for your partner. Alright, from here, in the first position, you're going to give it a name so you guys can relate to it. First position is here. Second position, you're going to walk in here. Bring it back to first. Bring it back to second. That's what's up. Alright. That's what's up. Alright, so from here. Alright, so from here, we're going to get it. Once you get into second position, you're going to stood there for 4 counts. Alright, watch us first. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. You see it? Try it one time. 5, 6, grab your partner. 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so the next move is going to be a little tricky. You ready? Alright, so from here, watch us first. This is the next move. A little tricky, but not so bad. Yes! So from right here, all I'm going to do is turn her in. And then she's going to end up to my right. See it? From here, one more time, guys, your left arm, your left hand is going to go upward. Ladies, your right arm is going to break in towards your face, turn in, and end up on the right. Alright? Let's try one more time, from the front, from the top. Let's try from the top. So right here, we're in the first position. Start from first. You're so awesome, you know that? Alright, from here, I'm going to jump into second position. From here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4, I'm going to back out. Remember, guys, left arm going to go upward. Ladies going to turn in. End up on the right. That was so easy. Get it! Now, just don't forget, while you're doing it, make sure you keep your hips rotating. Especially that will give kompa its flavor. The hip is where all the magic happens, alright? Alright, so Jay, let's actually try it from the top with the music. We can do that, right? We got it, DJ, we got it. First position. 5, 6. Go in, go 1. 7 and turn 1. Yes! That wasn't so bad, right? Alright, so what I'll do from here forward, I'll let you know when to move to the next phase. So I'll say 1, 5, 6, 7, go. So I'll talk you through it. I'll tell you when to go with your partner. Without music, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go to second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now turn. 1, 2. Alright, so from here, let's go back to that last position. We're almost done. Guys, I hope it's a good job. Alright, so from right here, all I'm going to do is spin her out. Watch us first. Yes, just like that. Yeah. Ladies, this is your chance to shine. From here, you turn, you turn, you turn, alright? Ladies, and just so you guys know, from here, there's a no judgment zone. For guys, you can move if you want to, alright? There's no judgment. Alright, so one more time, from this side. Alright, from the side. Now I'm gonna spin her open. 5, 6, 7, open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. What? I see the discos. I see it now. Alright, so let's try one more time from the top without music. 5, 6, 5, 6 from the first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into second. 5, 6, 7. Now turn. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! I see you now. I see you. Alright, DJ, I see you now. DJ, we want to try with the music now. First position. Ready? 5, 6. Go to second. 5, 6. Now turn. 5, 6. Now open up. Go. Yes. Chalet. 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 All right, I love that. We're almost done, all right? So from here, after you spin out, I saw the ladies were killing it. I saw a lot of this going on. Bring the hips up if you have to, all right? So from the hips, all you got to do, ladies, is walk in now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See that? All you can do is walk in, and you're done, all right? Let's try it from outside, from here. And guys, all you're doing is just moving you side to side. That's all you're doing. The ladies are doing all the work. It's her time to shine. 5, 6. Lady, let's go. Scan 1, 2. Yes! 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we good? We're gonna try from the top without music. From the top, without music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go into second. 5, 6. Now turn. Open up. Go. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. 5, 6. Now ladies walk in. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to second. Yes! That was hot. Gee, what do you think? It was good, right? Yes! DJ, you ready for music? Shalem! Shalem!
Crazy beats. Crazy beats.
Alright, we're gonna start the second. 5, 6, go to second. 5, 6, now turn.
Crazy beats.
5, 6, now open up. 5, 6, now walk back. This side. This side. Shalem! Shalem! Alright, so that's pretty good, right? Alright, so since you guys love it so much, let me get 3 couples in the middle to see who can do this. Who can do it? What we just learned. Yes, bring them out, bring it out. You guys for 1? There's 2. I need 1 more. You guys. That's 4. There's 4 couples. You guys are doing it too, right? Yes! You guys are doing it. Come in. Alright, so let's make this fit. You guys can come over this way. And you guys are right here. You guys are good. And you guys be like here. Alright, ready?
This is great.
Alright. DJ, you ready? You guys are ready? You guys are ready? DJ. I'll let you know I'm curious. 5, 6. Go to second. Now turn. Now open it up. Go. Now walk. Go. Yes. Shalem. DJ. Okay, we do the choreography, right? I see 1 couple. I won't point at anybody. All we doing is this right here. I saw 1 couple doing only this. All right. All right. So let's do it 1 more time. Let's see who's the hottest actually doing this. So there was a warm up. This is the actual one. You ready? DJ. By yourself. 5, 6. Go to second. 5, 6. Turn. 5, 6. Now open up. 5, 6. Ladies walk in. Go. Yeah. Shot down. All right, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up. And let me get another set of couples, another set. So you guys in the back, you guys are good. You gotta come up. Don't be shy, come up. Come up. If you guys come. Yes. Yeah, the guy with the white, come up. Come up. Don't be shy, you come up. You come up. I need a lady over here. One of the ladies. You here? Who's your partner? That guy right there is your partner. All right, DJ, we ready? You guys are ready? DJ! Not So before we wrap it up, we're going to end with some warm downs. Everybody's facing forward again. I'm going to call the movements. You're just going to do it with us, all right? All right, so follow us. Everybody come closer a little bit. Don't be shy. DJ, play music. 5, 6, now just from the hips, go. 5, 6, now bring down feet. Zuka, 5, 6, Zuka, go. Up. 5, 6, now. To the left, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Bottom, go. Bring it back to there. Basic step 1. Basic step 1. Let's go. Alright, Shalem! Shalem! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. We thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's go back. Yes, let's go back. Go back, 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 back.